Hi, welcome to Radian Move. This is your homepage. This is the exercises tab where you can find all your daily exercises. Our exercises are tracked using our AI technology in order for you to maintain your correct form and reduce the risk of injuries.
Back your hips, slowly down into a squat, coming back on top.
Feel it on your thighs. That's more like it.
This is the dashboard where you can check all the important stats for your daily activity. And your league stats. This is the leagues page where you can see all the current leagues we have. This is the head-to-head feature. The rewards page is where you can find all your potential winnings. Journeys page is where you can track which city you're in right now. This is held through competition. Download Radian Move now.